At Academy of Learning Career College in North York, we offer an intensive and practical accounting and payroll diploma program that prepares you for a successful future in one of the fastest growing fields. Our Accounting and Payroll Diploma program is designed to give you the hands-on skills and real-world knowledge needed to thrive in today's dynamic workforce. Learn the essentials of bookkeeping, financial reporting, payroll administration, tax compliance, and more, all taught by experienced instructors who are experts in their fields. With a focus on practical applications, you'll master industry-standard software like QuickBooks, Sage 50, and Ceridian. Plus, our hands-on training ensures you're job-ready from day one. Our dedicated career services team is here to support you every step of the way. From resume building to interview preparation, we make sure you're confident and prepared to enter the workforce. Accounting and payroll professionals are in high demand across all industries, whether you're working for a corporation, a small business, or as a freelance consultant. Start your journey today at Academy of Learning Career College in North York, and turn your passion for numbers into a rewarding career.